Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have partnered with Fabfitfun to bring you their spring box, which is so exciting. I got so excited to see that it arrived because that means spring is around the corner. Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. It is full of full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. It comes 4 times a year and each box is $49.99, but it has a value of over $200 worth of products in each box. And the best part is you can save $10 off by using the code Rashelle, so make sure you take advantage of it because I know you are going to love this as much as I do. Something that I think is really neat that they're doing is Fabfitfun is now letting you customize your boxes. So let's take a look at what I got in mine. Immediately when I opened my box, the first thing my eyes went to were this amazing robe from Show Me Your Muumuu. I haven't even opened it yet, and just feeling it, it is so soft. So we're gonna open it and take a look. It looks like such a pretty floral print, but this alone is more expensive than this whole box. So that is so amazing. How cute is this Show Me Your Muumuu robe? I'm obsessed with it, especially for spring with all the flowers, and pink is my favorite color. I cannot wait to wear this. How darling is this? I'm so excited about this. It is perfect for spring. I love that it's like yellow with little bumblebees on it. It's so cute. And if you have watched my previous videos, you will see that I am like horrible about drinking water, and I started investing in insulated cups, and it has made such a drastic change. It's crazy. So now my water intake has gone up a lot. So I'm really excited, and this one is insulated and it keeps your drinks really hot and really cold. So I'm gonna be washing this and taking this with me everywhere. I'm really excited about this. It's so cute. Other thing that I got, I love a really good spray tan, and especially when you're in between spray tans, which I am right now, I need to have a really good exfoliator to get everything off, like a really good scrub, and perfect timing because I got this champagne charcoal scrub. It smells absolutely amazing. This one says it detoxifies, exfoliates, and hydrates your skin, which is perfect. And look at how large this jar is. This is gonna last me forever. I cannot wait to use this. I'll probably be using it tonight, honestly. Mama can use a little spa time at the house and use the scrub and then go get a spray tan. I am so excited about this product. I'm so excited about all these products, but I have heard so much about Dr. Brandt, and this is the No More Baggage. It's a gel contour eye depuffing gel, which this mama can always use some eye depuffing. So I am so excited to use this. It visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles, so I cannot wait to try this. I have a feeling that this is going to be one of my favorite products, and I will probably be purchasing it a lot in the future. So this is actually really amazing that they put this in there. I'm so excited about this product. And another product I've actually heard a lot about is this Way leave-in conditioner. I've just heard a lot about this brand, so I'm super excited to use the leave-in conditioner. This one says that it is a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair, which I absolutely love, especially just because I constantly highlight my hair, so it does tend to get tangled. I have really fine hair, so I love just moisturizing it and anything that will detangle and that's healthy for my hair. So I'm really excited to try that out. I also got in my box this 11 by Venus jump rope, and this is perfect timing because once I get the okay to start working out again, I definitely need to get my booty in gear and get a good workout plan. So having a jump rope at home is perfect. So I'm excited about that. I also got this body lotion. It smells so good. It's for all skin types and it's citrus smelling, which I love, especially this time of year. I just am a really big fruit person. Like I love anything that smells fruity. And this lotion hydrates, nourishes, and protects. I love the size of it. It's perfect to just throw in my purse. So this is gonna be coming along with me. Last but not least, I am really excited to try this. I know I keep saying I'm excited, but how amazing is it to just get a box of amazing products shipped to you? You don't know what's gonna be in it, but you absolutely always love everything. So it's super exciting and it's fun and it's such a great price, and I know you guys will love it. But this is a Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. How fun is that? It says that it melts instantly into your skin for an intense hydration and brightening overnight. I always need hydration. I live in Denver. I feel like my skin is always so crazy dry. So I'm really excited to try this. And I love anything that is brightening, and I love that you just put it on overnight. So I have a feeling this is gonna be one of my favorite products as well. Make sure to sign up for your Fabfitfun box now so you don't miss out on getting to customize your favorite products. And don't forget, when you use the code Rashelle, you get $10 off your first Fabfitfun box. So go order yours now because you're gonna love it. And make sure you message me or comment on my video once you get your box, because I cannot wait to hear what you think.